Good day everybody, welcome back. Today we are officially unboxing MAXHUB's new XBar series, and the first in line that we've got for you today is the U50, which is the Microsoft Teams certified bar that can be used in either BYOD mode or directly connected via USB to your XCore or your XCore Pro kits. As you can see, the box is still sealed and we are starting to unpack the units. As we open it, all of the equipment in the box is here. Your handy user manual. Everything is eco-friendly, and the most important part most probably would be is your design template. With this, all you need is a pencil and a spirit level, and you can actually go directly to the wall, put it down underneath your display, mark your holes, take it away, drill it, put your bracket up, and you've got the bar mounted. Before we get to the bar, let's have a look. You have your remote control for the bar. You have your USB A to B cable for the bar. We'll get to the mounting bracket soon. And you've got your power supplies and the other portion of the mounting bracket plus all cables in here. If we then carry on to the main showstopper for today, this is the all-important bar. Dual camera, 100 megapixel, 50 on each side. They are actually slanted. I'll show you now when I open them. And everything in the package is all hand tightened, so no tools required except for actually putting in the screws into the wall, which is also coincidentally in the box. And once you've loosened these two, you get to the important part. That's your cable management tray. All of your cables neatly plug into the back of the bar, and you can put this back on and it secures your cables first of all, and second of all, it just makes it neater. Getting back to our wall mount bracket, again, wall mount bracket as we previously mentioned, screw holes already measured, drilled. All you need to do is put your 4 screws in and put your bracket underneath your display, mount your bar in, hand tighten the 3 screws at the bottom, and your bracket is installed. If you would like to have the bar mounted above the TV, same principle applies, that you can utilize the bracket and set it up that you can mount it on the same bracket above your display. Lastly, if the client requests that the bar stands actually on a credenza or something underneath, you can literally put the bar onto to secure it again, and with that you can have it stand directly on the table and just tilt it up by a couple of degrees. That is the awesomeness of the setup currently with the new U50 and coincidentally the V50 bars. If we then look at the U50 bar, as I said, dual camera on it. Each camera is 50 megapixels slanted in, which in essence means that your right hand camera will cover the left hand side of the table, your left hand camera will cover the right hand side of the table, and that blends a complete picture together for you. Auto framing, speaker tracking, it's got gallery mode and it's got together mode on it. If we then start looking at the back of the bar, you've got an Cat5e extension port, which means should you require BM45 microphones further down the table, you can actually utilize that. On the other side of the bar, you've got your USB-B port and you've got your power port. If we then look at the front of the bar, 12 microphones built in to the bar that does auto noise cancellation and allows for an 8-meter reach from bar to last seat. It's also got two 15-watt speakers already built in, more than enough for your small to medium room scenarios. As you can see, the U50 comes with its own remote as previously stated. You can open your camera lens from the remote, and if you actually have a look at the colors on the side, if you want to mute your microphones, they actually go red, so you can clearly see that you're muted, unmuted, muted, unmuted, or you can set your camera to privacy mode. And this is the XBar U50. Thank you very much for watching our video, and we'll see you soon. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.